Hello! Let me show you how to make Greg Doucette's chocolate blueberry French toast, Calorie Doctor Style. Link to where you can find all these products will be in the description down below. Let's get this. You'll need regular ass bread. I prefer this bread because it's 40 calories per one slice. Unsweetened cocoa powder, cinnamon, sugar-free maple syrup, a 0-calorie sweetener, some blueberries, egg whites, and some unsweetened chocolate chips. 200 grams of egg whites, 5 grams of cocoa powder. So my scale started to stop working, which it has never done before. So the one time that I needed to, it doesn't work. Now we add some cinnamon. Next up, 3 packs of stevia. Now you may mix this all up. So to mix it all up, I didn't do anything fancy. All I did was, yeah, I didn't do that. But you get the point. So, preheat your pan. Once the pan is heated, add your nonstick spray. 1 second. Add 100 grams of blueberries to your preheated pan. So let's go for the magical step now. With this, we're gonna be making 3 slices of French toast. So I've dipped the French toast in the egg white mix. So now we're gonna add 15 grams of chocolate chips. Look, I know it looks like a train wreck, but trust me, this is delicious. All of this for less than 400 calories. Pair this up with my low-calorie iced coffee. Bam! Best breakfast ever. This is so filling. You'll be stuffed and you won't have to think about eating for a good 4 or 5 hours. I forgot the best part. That's the benefits of knowing about your calories. You can enjoy amazing food without gaining weight, and in fact losing weight. Special credits to Greg Doucette for creating this recipe, this mind-blowing recipe. Please go like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing day. I want to note that it's 8:20 p.m. So that's why I am storing my French toast in the fridge.